In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort your emails by conversation in Microsoft Outlook. This feature can really help streamline your inbox and make it easier to follow email threads. Whether you're dealing with personal correspondence or managing professional communications, sorting by conversation keeps related emails together, making your life a bit easier. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to log into Outlook. Open your web browser and go to the Outlook login page, which is part of the Microsoft 365 website. This is your gateway to accessing all your emails and settings, so it's important to start here. If you're not already signed in, you'll see the option to sign in prominently displayed on the page. Give that button a click to get started. Now it's time to enter your credentials. You'll need to provide the email address associated with your Outlook account. This step is pretty straightforward, but make sure you type it correctly to avoid any login issues. After typing in your email, go ahead and click the Next button. This will prompt the login system to anticipate your password input, which is the next step in this process. Enter your password in the designated password field. Remember, your password needs to be entered exactly as it was set, including the correct use of uppercase and lowercase letters. If you're using a personal device, you might want to enable the Remember Me option to speed up future logins. Once you've entered your password, it's time to click on the Sign In button. At this point, Outlook may ask if you want to stay signed in. This is a useful feature if you're working from a secure or personal computer, as it can save time later. Click Yes if this is the case. If you're on a shared or public computer, it's safer to click No to ensure that your account information remains private. With the login process complete, you should now find yourself in your Outlook inbox. Take a moment to look around if you're not familiar with the interface. But our goal today is to teach you how to sort by conversation, so move your focus over to the settings area. Look for the mail section on the left sidebar where you can manage your emails. Next, locate the View Settings option, which allows you to customize how your inbox appears and operates. Click on it to open additional settings. This section of Outlook is quite powerful as it offers a variety of options for personalizing your email experience. Whether you're looking to change how items are grouped, sorted, or displayed, this is where you'll find the necessary tools. Under the View Settings, look for the option to customize conversation settings. Once you have this open, you'll see options related to how your emails are threaded together. Conversations in Outlook essentially mean grouping related emails, so you can follow a single thread irrespective of who sent the last email. By default, Outlook might not have Conversation View enabled, so you may need to activate or adjust these settings to your preference. Enabling Conversation View generally involves selecting options that best organize emails by their thread, rather than by factors like who sent them or when they were received. You might see options to group emails by subject or time received, but focusing on threads will be the most useful here. After making your selections, you should see your inbox reorganize itself to match the conversation settings you've applied. If you've done everything correctly, emails that were once scattered are now neatly arranged together in conversations. This should give you a clearer picture of ongoing discussions and make managing your emails a breeze. And there you have it. With these simple steps, sorting by conversation in Outlook can transform the way you handle emails. It creates a cleaner, more coherent inbox, allowing you to easily keep up with each thread of conversation. This little feature can save you a lot of time and hassle, particularly when dealing with complex conversations or long threads. In conclusion, we've walked through logging in, navigating settings, and ultimately configuring your inbox to foster a more organized and efficient email experience. By engaging with these organizational tools, you can more effectively keep track of communications, both personal and professional. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you find these changes as helpful as they are intended to be. Happy emailing!